Hello my friends and subscribers, my name is Alexander Stepanov and I am Russian nail technician. Now you see special nails of my friend Luba. When I was on the vacation, she tried to make nails by herself. And after she wasn't satisfied with the result. Especially it wasn't comfortable to make nails on her left hand. And she had the result something like from the film Scary Movie. And now guys, I'm gonna show you how I will transform these nails. And this time I want you to listen all sounds of my work. Let's get started! As you can see, we have already removed all the gel using drill bits, and my favorite barrel drill bit helped me to do this work very easily and quickly. In cases when the nail technician or the person doesn't have any experience with this technique, you should remove all the product, as you can see on the video. Because we can't give the guarantee that without removing all the product, nails after your infill will not be lifted in 1 or 2 days. So you need to remove all this shit and prepare nails perfectly and properly as you can. Push cuticles to the limit using the pusher. And after I will be using the long flame diamond drill bit.
Что ты так решила? Я говорю, ну как, говорю, объяснить? У меня у подруги что родители.
You asked me guys many times, why do I apply this thing to move the file up and down? This is necessary to prepare nail plate properly in cuticles area, because right in this area in most cases we have liftings. So after removing the skin and the pterygia, you should always move your file up and down and prepare this area perfectly, because gel nails, they have only one drawback: they can be lifted in cuticles area. And when we don't forget to do that, we will protect them from these problems. And of course, it's necessary to remove the skin using nippers, scissors, anything else, but never use liquids with oils, because when oils penetrate into the depth of the nail plate, this way nails would be lifted in 1 or 2 hours. So we can call this work dry work without even cuticle remover. And you may scold me down in the comments that I'm not so gentle with clients sometimes. Sometimes I'm using erratic motions, like while removing the skin using the nippers. But for sure, guys, this is necessary for the fast work. Of course, this is not for the beginner. If you are the beginner, you should do everything very neatly, carefully, and properly. If I have some beaten places, I will buff them using the ball drill bit in the end of my work. So you will see it. And now, as you can see, guys, I'm placing the form, and I will apply thin layer of sculpting mixed gel and cure this layer in LED lamp. All you need, guys, to buy 1 container per 60 milliliters of sculpting mixed gel, and this container is very large. It will be enough for about 50 clients, and it's not the small pots. And one more great thing, our customers may also use credit card to make orders on shapeofnail.com, because now we have LLC in the United States, and it gives me a chance to sell products all over the world. We also give the guarantee of money back if the package will not be received in 30 days. As you can see, guys, I'm applying 3rd layer of sculpting mixed gel. I think this is the best way to sculpt long nails of the shape ballerine or the pipe shape. And it's the easiest way, because if I use acrylic product, I would do the same work much longer. We just need to cure these layers each in 1 minute in LED lamp and remove the tacky layer using the simple rubbing alcohol, not vodka, because vodka contains the water, and the water destroys gel nails.
Я бы с удовольствием туда поехала. По одной простой причине: лечить меня от депрессии больно хлопотно. Выписать мне антидепрессанты, они на меня не действуют. Прикинь, я такой везучий человек, что на меня не действуют антидепрессанты. Успокоительные не действуют. И обезболивающие не сразу. То есть мало то, что двойная доза, так еще и не сразу. Мы некоторые делали, когда нас сюда вставали. Во-первых, анестезия не сразу подействовала, спинальная анестезия. Она обычно сразу действует, но в моем положении. У меня, во-первых, крови боится. Даже пришлось электробритву ему купить.
And now guys, I'm gonna show you how to draw beautiful color flowers on the long pipe-shaped nails. I'm using acrylic paint and the flat brush number 6. First of all, we should make the gradient mixing green color, pink color and white color. You should achieve the perfect gradient before start drawing. I mean, color flowers, they have specific or special tones or shades, and if you make it too much green it will not be so beautiful. So I tried hard to achieve the most adorable shade, and you will see how it's beautiful. After drawing stamens, we are applying some contours and some detail painting using the mix with the black color and water. So now you see me working with thin brush number 000, and we are finishing our watercolor effect of these flowers, applying the top coat with a thick layer, which you can also buy on shapeofnail.com in large container, which will be work for you about 1 or 2 months. I mean, in the serious nail studio if you work there. I'm removing the tacky layer and oh my god! Again these nails! So we have transformed these nails to the perfection. As you can see guys, they look beautiful. I spent only 1.5 of hour to do these amazing nails. And you know, sculpting mixed gel still works perfectly. The consistency is much better, the price is more profitable because it's time to buy in large containers. If you like this nail design and this video, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe to our channel. If you want me to make the tutorial of special shape of nails or the special nail design, of course I will do that. If you ask me about it down in the comments, don't be so shy, as somebody said. And one more question, what's better, to make nails in 5 hours or to make nails in 1.5 an hour? I mean, when there are no differences after this work. So guys, see you in the next videos. Bye!
Ну, холодно. Ветер холодный.
Все.